So here we have a GM LS engine, which is a V8 6.2. We remanufacturing the engine. The block was taken care of. As you can see, we have the camshaft. We have hats. They both done. The problem with this, that the hat was actually damaged in this place. As you can see, you can probably see a little bit. So it was welded and grinded to fix it. It had a damage on one side of the block. It's more likely was overheated badly, and that's what caused the problem. So if, you had to replace a couple of the valves. They brand new, but as you can see, the valve job was done and all that. Valve seals are replaced. They do have the stamp here for the overheat. Just in case it's gonna get overheated by a customer, then this thing's gonna get melted and the warranty will be voided. We have the crankshaft. The crankshaft, as you can see, too, are taken care of. And we have all of our good stuff, which is pistons. The brand new, really nice. We have our rings. We have our bearings, main and connecting rods, lifters. All of the good stuff. Of course, the oil pump. So pretty much the engine's gonna get overhauled, and it's gonna be like a brand new engine again. We'll get you through this process, show you a couple more videos the way how this thing's gonna get done and put together. Okay.